We are live and direct here in Afara, Igbo 2. This is the palace of His Royal Majesty Sir Eze Israel Ukukano. So, the Ordnana Enugu State came to pay condolences to the family of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. So, as you can see, things is happening. This is Obiano, and this is our beloved brother Eganga. This is another beloved brother, the traditionist from Enugu. God is here. Mothers, they are here rejoicing and dancing. As you can see, this is happening live and direct here in Afala Igbo. So, this is our beloved brother, Mazi David.
Hello, my name is David Ibuki Simon, and I am greeting you all. We are live and direct here today in Afala Igbo, at the house of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to pay a condolence visit to our leader's family. Tell them to remain strong and resolute, because we will always be with them.
Yes, for sure. God bless Biafra, and God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Mazi Uchemofo. God bless all the good principal officers, and God bless IPOB worldwide. Yes, this is happening live and direct here in Afara. So